Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete TikTok followers quickly. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply see the second option under your username, that is followers. Tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on the three dot that is next to the friend, and here you can see the option remove this follower. You can now tap on remove this follower, and this is the way you can repeat this process for other followers or friends. And this is the way you can remove followers on TikTok. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.